Hello guys, so the video you guys are waiting for is finally here. So I signed up for a competition hackster.io asking to create stuff that could help disabled people. They're one of the contest masters. So the contest masters are basically people with disabilities. One of them complained of his pager. He had a muscle dystrophy, so it gave him a bit of made him quite immobilized. So people have having difficulty holding on to his pager. It always falls from his hand. So I was trying to think of an idea how to solve that problem. I couldn't think of anything, so I started to ask someone who was a lecturer at my school, and he said, "And why not just make the pager a glove?" Then that's how I decided to make this. So what is a pager? So pagers are pager for sick people. You used to contact whoever is taking care of you. So with pager, when you press the button on it, it alerts whoever is taking care of you and they call. Maybe you want to go to the toilet, but you cannot go to the toilet yourself. So you press it and whoever is taking care of you will come. The problem with other pagers is that people with mobility issues, like one of the contest masters, is that I said earlier, he can't hold it. If when it falls from his hand, most people with muscle dystrophy, they may have mobility issues in different forms. So I'm going to target my own to this specific contest master has issues holding on to his pager. So if the pager is on his hand, just has to move his finger and press the button. Let's talk about the hardware for this project. So here I have the STM32 board and the blue wireless cellular note card. So it is a note card and note carrier inside. So I'm going to explain what all that means. So first let's talk about the blue wireless note card. We have the picture of the note card here and the note carrier here. So basically the note card goes to the note carrier. So it just basically carries the note card. So I'm using the cellular note card. Cellular note card allows me to connect to internet using cellular network. So the blue wire also has a Wi-Fi note card, but I'm using the cellular one here. So basically the way this pager works is when you press the button, the host MC here, I'm using the blue wireless SWAN. The host MC here sends a command to the note carrier, which then based on that command send a text message using Twilio messaging API, and it goes to the phone number of whoever is taking care of the patient. And for the pager to always available to be used, it has to be always on. So if it's always on, it's going to be consuming power, and I'm running on battery. So what I did to save power was to disable the chip. So when the pager is initially powered on, it sends a text message first, and then the chip goes to sleep or it's disabled. Let's say disabled. So whenever I press the button, this button is connected to the note carrier, to the pin on note carrier that wakes up the microcontroller. Then the microcontroller sends the text message, then disables itself and goes back to sleep. Okay, now let me show you a real life demo of the project itself. So now I've powered the chip, I've powered the pager using the LiPo battery. I plug it into the GST connector. Now as you look at the blue SWAN, the blue wireless SWAN is based on STM32 chip. So now when I press the button, the LED on it will come on showing that it has woken up. Then it sends the text message and goes back to sleep. But for now, I've disabled the text messaging feature. I'm going to enable it and show you a live demo of that also. So now when I'm going to press the button now, see the light on the chip comes up, then goes back out. Because now it is done sending text message. Now it disables itself. Then I press the button again, you see. So now let's go to the demo of the text messaging part. I'm going to re-enable that part in the code and re-upload it. Press the button now, you should get a text message. So the text message should go to the caretaker of the patient. So you need to wait for the message to arrive. The message has arrived. See it? I need help. So now the caretaker can go to the patient and administer whatever care the person needs. To finalize, I'm going to talk about shrinking it down because this guy is big. So I just had to use what I had available at home. So the best way to shrink this down first is to replace the note card and the note carrier with SIM800L GSM module can allow us to send text messages. I may use a smaller host MCU. You can use the 80Tiny 85. You can use Arduino to program that, and can use a smaller LiPo battery instead, the smallest flat LiPo batteries, and TP4056 to charge the battery. But the good thing about this note carrier that it comes with inbuilt charging system, both for solar and both for charging the battery. This is one thing I like about it. So if you use 80Tiny 85, SIM800L module, and TB4056 lithium-ion battery charger, and a small flat LiPo battery, should be able to shrink down the size considerably. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye. And before you go, yes, if you love this video and you love what the content I make, please kindly subscribe to my channel and like the video, because when you like the video, YouTube will recommend my video to other people. So please like the video, and if you want to be notified when next I post a new video, please hit the bell icon there. You'll be notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.